Hi, everybody. This is Caleb with Rocky Mountain RV and Marine here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And today I want to share with you another outstanding new floor plan from Outdoors RV, the 21 KVS. Rocky Mountain RV and Marine, simply the best. So I've started today in the restroom because that's probably the least exciting of this entire floor plan. That being said, still a great restroom for a small trailer. Plenty of room to sit here on the toilet, plenty of counter space that doubles as a convenient armrest if you need it. Onto the bedroom. Okay, guys. So here in the bedroom, we have everything you could possibly need. The bedroom isn't going to leave you wanting for anything. You've got hers and hers wardrobes. You've got a walk-around queen bed. Nightstand on either side with not only 110 but 12-volt power. Underneath the bed, you've got some storage there. Now it is rather shallow, but they give you a drawer on either side, as well as a little shoe compartment and a privacy curtain. Let's not forget the outdoor standard fantastic vent in the bedroom. Okay, guys, now it's time for the star of the show, the kitchen. The 21 KVS is a rear kitchen floor plan. And with 5 cabinets, 9 drawers, not to mention so much counter space. Lots of manufacturers list their dinettes as being able to sleep 2 people. What they don't tell you is that is 2 Oompa Loompas. That is not the case with Outdoors RV. As you can see, their XL dinette offers you plenty of space, whether it's for dining or sleeping. And I don't want to brag, but I'm over 6 feet tall. So not only are you going to have the baddest kitchen at camp, but when it comes to loading, unloading, or stopping for lunch. With the slide closed, I've still got full access to my refrigerator, my freezer, my pantry, which was not mentioned in that initial cabinet count, by the way, microwave, and all of the counter space that you can't see is off frame right here. Kitchen is fully functional with the slide open or closed. All of this is also coming in a dry weight, typically under 6,000 pounds, and an overall length less than 26 feet. If you're in the market for a new travel trailer and looking for something of unmatched quality that will serve you and your family for generations to come on down to Rocky Mountain RV and Marine and let myself or one of our many experienced family members show you an outdoors. Thanks everybody again for watching, and please like and subscribe so I can continue to share cool new floor plans with you. Rocky Mountain